So we're coming into another golf resort. Unfortunately, the actual golf course is shut down through lack of people living here. But I want to see if I can get into it, because it's got a gated, it's a gated community, so it sounds like they're obviously paying a community charge. Yet again, I haven't got no information about this place at all. From a distance, it looks like a blooming a town. Some of these apartments are really big apartments. Yet again, we got a lovely big entrance to this place. Not far away is the new Sierra Golf Resort. A bit further over behind us is Latour, a huge golf resort there. So if anybody actually lives here, and if I can get in as well, that's the next thing. Please put any comments below. It always helps out other people. I just don't know what these roundabouts are about, but they've got these big circles in them. I suppose it looks good. And I got another feeling that the golf resort has changed its name to United Golf Resorts. I might be wrong. Now, straight in front of us was another golf course that never even got off the ground. They've actually started putting in the buildings and the golf course itself, but it obviously collapsed during the boom. So it's got United Golf Resorts. I was going to see if I can get in there. It's got a gate. I don't know if I can get in. This would be interesting. I might not, because it's alright, I got him. Okay, well that was interesting. So anyway, I've got nothing on this. Now, I am right in thinking this is you do pay a community charge on this. Some of the buildings look amazing from a distance. And I did see a video of this place. I got no idea what some of these buildings are. This could be the hotel. It's not looking like anybody's in it. No, it's all been stripped out. So it was, yeah, it was the Casa Club. So this would have been the bar area. It's called United Golf Resorts. I think this would have probably been the reception place. Something else I don't know about, guys. This would have been obviously a fantastic place to persuade you to buy a place here. The amount of apartments, can't believe it. Looking out there, huge artificial lake. It's got some ducks on it. The golf course would have been on both sides, all overgrown. It's going to take a lot of investment to get that up and running again, but it should do with the amount of apartments here in the right selling. So you can see the main stand. And then looking at it, this is obviously the golf resort itself. I'm just going to bring this down so you can see it. So, huge complex. I mean, I might be lucky and find somebody. I mean, it looks a huge complex. I am pretty impressed how big it is. satellite dish here. I mean, huge amount of apartments, but looking at the apartments, oh no, there's people there, there's towels hanging up. There's a communal pool that looks fantastic, nice and clean. So obviously these are maintained. So anybody that lives here, please get hold of me. Please put a comment below, good or bad. Now the golf course is over to our right, and unfortunately it's all overgrown. What a shame, because I would imagine it'd been a lovely place. Got some viewpoints here. Obviously been fenced off. It's like they got gardens up to the left there, a walkway. Might have a look up there. This is the other gate that's been locked up, but you got a play area just there. Let's just, if I can just put that. Okay, well, I'll just turn the camera. So you got a nice play area there. Such a shame, isn't it? I just can't believe these huge complexes. Anyway, we're gonna have a nose at the other side of this. Well, it looks like these apartments have got a few more people living in them. I think the thing is, when they build these places, obviously they're selling them as holiday rentals to earn some income, and also obviously as a second home, really. So this looks like this could have been a hotel, maybe, or it might even been the actual golf complex. I don't know. I think I will take some photographs of this. Okay, we go around in a circle. Let's go down here a minute. Let's have a quick nose. Maybe this was, looking at it now, a shopping arcade. Yeah, this was a shopping arcade. So they've got plenty of shower units there. Now these pools are only for the residents of these apartments. There's a sign there that says so. But they're well looked after. Pool's nice and clean. Grass cut. So this looks like the sports centre. Only because it looks like I can see a gymnasium there. Oh, the meeting place. I think this is the place where the community meets. I did see a sign saying that they're going to do some work there. No, so I can't turn that way. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It's another golf resort that's not a golf resort, if you get what I mean. I mean, it's lovely, some lovely buildings there. And with the right money, that would be a fantastic place. But as I always say, keep watching, because you just don't know what's going to happen next. You know, I've got to try and get out this gate now. Hopefully I'm not going to get stopped. You just never know these places. Because I have done. That was good. So until next time, keep watching, and as he puts it in the wrong gear. Anyway, as I say, I'll say it again. Keep watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.